today's scenario is a very special scenario. Today we are going to learn workflow rule. Okay, so workflow rule. What is workflow rule and how workflow rule work in Salesforce? So workflow rule is basically the automation. Okay, so we are done our task automatically, just like when I create opportunities. So automation, I apply the one rule automation, just like send the email to the owner. Okay, just like if I click on this opportunity, okay, and when I am going to the detail side, okay, so after the detail side you can see here the stage. Okay, so the stage value is prospecting. Okay, so now if I want to edit this stage, okay, and so when I want to close one, okay, so if I want this opportunity and when I edit this stage to a close one and save this record, so automatically generate one email to the owners. Okay, so that this opportunity is one. Okay, so one opportunity one, two opportunity one, just like this, like automation we are done here. Okay, just like one more. Okay, so just like when we are creating a custom app here and we have the one object. Okay, so record just like the amount. Okay, so the all amount is adding there and one object, and after I apply one workflow rule there, and that is when I have the one field amount. So when I just apply the workflow rule here, if our amount is greater than $1 lakh, if our amount is greater than $5 lakh, okay, so just you can you send me the email. Okay, and the email is just like that, your amount cross 1 lakh. Okay, so today you cross 1 lakh, today you cross 5 lakh, just like this, like of automation. There are lots of automations available in Salesforce. This is simple logic, okay, that you are creating yourself in your mind. So this is very simple. Okay, so if you want to create just like the automation in Salesforce, so how you can do this? This is very simple. Okay, so first of all you come here to the setup, okay, and this gear icon, and then click on the setup. Okay, when you click on the setup, so you come to the setup page. Okay, and after you click on the home button, after the home button you search here workflow. Okay, so I'm just okay, so now you can see here the workflow action. Okay, so the email alert, field update, okay, inbound messages, send action, okay, task. There are lots of multiple things available in Salesforce, just like sending the email. Okay, just I have told you that when our field is updated, okay, so send me an email. Just like there is another scenario available, just like somebody changed the user of created opportunity. Okay, so if somebody changed the owner who is creating the opportunity on a that time, okay, when he changing the owner and set the record, so the one email will be coming to the owner side. Okay, just your email is changing. Okay, so this is the simple scenario. Okay, now then I am clicking on the workflow rule. Okay, so when I click on the workflow rule, so this like enterprise available, understanding the workflow, this is the full details. Okay, so you will learn the workflow, how the workflow is working. Okay, so then I am clicking on the next, continue, sorry. After the continue, okay, I have some multiple workflow available here I have created. Okay, so just ignore this, click on the new workflow rule. Okay, so I am clicking on the new workflow rule. So this is now continue with workflow rule, continue with flow builder. Okay, so there are four type of automation available in Salesforce. Okay, so the one is we are creating workflow, okay, for automation. The second is we are using process builder. The third we are using flow builder, and the fourth we are using effects trigger. Okay, that we are done the automation by through the coding. Okay, so these four rules is available in Salesforce. So first we check if our work done with workflow, so we can create the we will create for our task workflow. Okay, so just it's simple. So now I am clicking on the continue. Okay, with workflow. Okay, so now you have the one, select the object which this workflow rule apply. Okay, so select that one object. When you are select that one object, you wanna apply the workflow rule on that object, so you can select here. Okay, click on the object, and now I am apply the rule on opportunity. Okay, so now the opportunity is here. Okay, so I have one object available, standard object opportunity. I am applying the workflow rule on opportunity. So now then I am clicking on the opportunity, select the opportunity, and then select next. Okay, I am writing just a simple name for workflow. This is close one. Oh, okay, so this is the simple name for our workflow. So yeah, this is because this error message is available here, because this is the API name, and the API name not acceptable this any type of space, so that's why I'm using underscore. Okay, to know the name. Okay, so now what I'm done. Okay, so now here. Okay, so there are three type of criteria available in Salesforce for workflow. The one is created, the second is created, and every time it's edited, and the third one is created, and anytime it's edited, it's equally meet criteria. Okay, so what does it mean? It's mean created. Okay, when I'm choosing the first number. Okay, so when if somebody is creating the opportunity anytime, okay, just like I'm creating the opportunity, one opportunity, so the email will be going to the owner. Okay, so every time when you create opportunity, okay, so the email will be going to the owner side. Okay, the second one is just like the second one is created and anytime edited. Okay, just like when a person creating the opportunity and edit the opportunity. Okay, so the email will be sitting to the owner side. The third one is also just like the same criteria, so I'm selecting the third one. Okay, and now criteria is meet. Okay, so which type of criteria you do you want? If you want to use the formula, okay, so then you will be selected the formula, and the formula space will be available here. Okay, so then you can create the formula here, just like I have created in the previous lecture some like formula, just like the opportunity stage is equal to clause one. Okay, so just then check the syntax and so okay, so it's mean if the opportunity stage is equal to the close one, send to the email. Okay, to the owner side, and the first one is criteria are met. It's mean you can use by through the operator. You can select field here, and the second is operator, and the third is value. So it's very simple. Okay, so I'm using this one because it's simple and understandable. So now I am using the first one field opportunity. Okay, so the first one is opportunity clause. Okay, the opportunity clause, the operator is equal, and I am using this one. If there is some field available, true or false, I am selecting true. Okay, so the opportunity clause is true. When the opportunity clause, send the email. Okay, the first field, the first role is applied. Okay, so now I am applied the second role. The second role is just like I am, you can see here the opportunity stage. Okay, so the opportunity stage is equal to what? Opportunity stage is equal to clause one. Okay, so I am clicking on the search, and I am looking here. Yes, the clause one option is available here. Okay, so now after insert and select. Okay, so now I have two type of criteria apply criteria on the opportunity object. The one is when the opportunity clause one is true, send the email, the first thing. Okay, the second thing, opportunity stage is equal to the clause one. Okay, when the opportunity stage is equal to the clause one. Okay, so this is the filter logic. Okay, so you can create our logic. Okay, so what you want, you can apply here. Okay, so then what you can do this type of things. Okay, so now I am save and next. Okay, click on the save and next. Okay, when I am clicking on the save and next, So I have applied the one opportunity role. So now when you create the criteria of the opportunity, so now you can see here this is our formula. Okay, so our criteria is converted to the formula. Opportunity clause 1 equal to true, opportunity stage is equal to the clause 1. Okay, so this is our criteria. This is the next. Okay, so when this type of rule, when this criteria happen in the opportunity, so what we can do? Okay, so what do the Salesforce? The Salesforce do some sort of actions. Okay, so add the opportunity work, add the workflow action. So there are multiple. Okay, new task, the one is send email, new email alert. The next one is new field update, and the new outbound message, and select exiting action. Okay, so there are multiple things available. So if you wanna, when somebody close won the opportunity and you want to update something in that record, so what you can do, what you will be select the action of new field update. Okay, so now if you want to send some alert, email alert to the owner site, so then you can select the new email alert. And if you want to create some task for the user of Salesforce, so you can check on new task. Okay, so I am sending the email here now, so now I am selecting on the email alert. Okay, when I select on the email alert, the description is I am writing the opportunity, the opportunity is one. Okay, so unique name is the opportunity is one. Now the object is opportunity, and now you can select the template. So now you can create the custom template here also. Okay, so I am just selecting here, I'm choosing here new email. This is there are lots of emails available here. So this is the classic. I have the lighting templates available. Okay, so I have one template available here. I am choosing here this one, opportunity clause one. Okay, so now user, okay, which user you want to send this email. So you have multiple user available in Salesforce. I will be creating the one video for user. Okay, so user is the how you can create the user and edit the user. Okay, so I am selecting the user. Okay, so how many user available? Okay, so fine, I am selecting the fine. Okay, so no, the fine is not working. The user is available here. Okay, so I am selected the Hamza Han. And next, if you want something additional message you want to write here, so you can write here. Okay, so I said no need, make this address default from user email address of the email alert. Okay, so you can check here, and the current user email address, so it's right. Okay, so I want to save. Okay, so when I save this, okay, so when I come to the our workflow side and I am clicking on the continue, so now you can see here the one workflow rule here I have created. Okay, close. Oops. Okay, now I am going to check how this workflow rule work. Okay, so continue with editing, start editing. Okay, and now I want to refresh this page. Okay, and I want to click some the opportunity agriculture limit. Okay, so you can see here the stage is prospecting. I want to change this field to the close one. Okay, and now I want to click on the close one, and I want to save the record. Okay, when I save the record, okay, the record is saved. Now what happened? I am going to the email side, clicking on the email. So now you can see here the one email coming. Okay, so you can see here work done. Okay, so when I created, okay, I am checking the next one to you. I am clicking on the opportunity, the new opportunity. Details. Okay, close stage is prospecting, and change the stage to the what close one, and now save. Okay, when I save this record, so come to the workflow, come to the email side, and I am refreshing my email. So now you can see here the second email is available here. Okay, you can see here work done. Okay, so this is the process of the workflow, how we are creating the workflow in Salesforce. So it's very simple and it's very important and workflow in Salesforce. Okay, for the Salesforce administrator need to learn the workflow. Okay, so in next lecture we will discuss the process builder. Okay, how the process builder work, process builder or the user creations, how we can create the user in Salesforce. So it's the very simple. Okay, so it's thank you, thanks for watching this video, and subscribe our channel and like and share with your friends. Okay, if you like this video, thank you so much.